There's rollout dates.
There are.
So if you could just clearly...
All right, do my best.
Do your best.
All right, so it'll come down to the contract price and the head contractor. So those are the kind of factors that you need to think about. So the first phase started on the 1st of March, and that is new state government projects between $1 and $10 million. So that's actually the same criteria as the old project bank account. Yep. So the next phase is 1 July of this year, and then it'll include state authorities, so health and hospital service, things like that. So a bit of an expanded scope, but still within the state sort of government state authority phase. But the $10 million cap goes. So it's all projects over $1 million that are state government, state authority projects.
Yep.
1 January next year, it's those projects plus private sector and local government projects over $10 million. Then 1 July 2022, it's private and local over $3 million. And then from 1 Jan 2023, it's all state government, state authority, local government, private sector projects for project trust work over $1 million. And retention trust accounts also have been rolled down by that date to any subcontractors who have cash retentions as well.
So when does the retentions for principals kick in?
So for the head retentions held from a head contractor by a principal.
Yeah.
Yep, from 1 January next year.
1 January next year. And then 1 January 2023, it will go the next layer down or the next tier down in terms of sub.
If they're holding cash. Yeah. Only the retention account, not the project trust account.
Okay.
Yeah. There are a few nuances, as you would be aware, around related entities and things like that.
Yeah.